All right, today we're going to be working on multiplying a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number using partial products or the box method. We're going to need a large box when solving a 3-digit by a 2-digit number. So I'm going to make that first. And we have to split apart just like we've been doing for the last couple of weeks. Doesn't matter which one goes where. We have to split apart our factors. So I'm going to take 500, 60, and 7. Put my addition signs in here just so we know it's all part of that same number. And I'm going to take 70 plus 6, and I'm going to draw out my lines. I'm keeping this side bigger because I know I'm going to have more zeros in there, and I want to have enough room. All right, I'll start with my base fact of 7 times 5, which is 35. And I have to add in my zeros. I have 1 off this and 2 off here. 1 plus 2 makes 3. So this number is 35,000. Base fact 6 times 7, 42. 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 2 zeros. 4,200. 7 times 7, 49, plus a 0, 490. And then I'm finished with that 70, and I'll work with the other digit in that factor, which is the 6. 6 times 5 is my base fact. That 0 is not going to be counted in the zeros I'm going to add to the end. Well, 2 zeros here, so I'm going to end up with 3,000. 60 times 6 is 360. And lastly, 6 times 7 is 42. This is where it gets really hard because you have 6 partial products that need to come together and you have to add them. I'm going to start way up on top of my screen here because I need to try to make sure I have enough room. I have my 35,000. And you really got to make sure you're lining up your places and you're including all of your partials. At the end of this, we should have 6 add-ins or 6 numbers that we are adding together to get that one partial product. And it's really the adding that can be the difficult part of this type of multiplication problem. All right, I'm gonna double check, make sure I have all 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'll do my 1s and I'll get just 2 1s. My 10s, looks like I'm gonna end up with 19. Regroup my 1. My 100s, looks like I'm gonna end up with 10. My 1000s, looks like I'll end up with 13. And I'll regroup that 1. And my 10,000s will be 4, so 43,092.